I went to the counter this time just to look at some products. Couldn't actually remember which blushes I had and didn't have, so I needed to see them. But I picked up a blush, a lip, and an eye for a very simple one eye, one cheek, one lip, which I haven't done in such a long time. But I thought we'd try this. I've never tried their lip balm before, so I picked one of them up. Got this one, part of the Luggage line, and I picked one up in the shade Intense. Wow, okay, that's got a lot of color. I did a little bit of research just to check the shades, and I looked at Beauty Lookbook, who I follow on Instagram. She's great. She does really lovely lip swatches. I actually followed her for quite a while because we have similar coloring. Make sure to follow her if you don't already. She's really great. Then I picked up an eye contour stick. It's like an eyeshadow pencil almost. It serves as an eyeliner and an eyeshadow. I have a couple, I think they're limited edition, but I picked this one up in Rouge Noir. It looked very unique. I love eyeshadow pencils. I just think companies don't come out with them that often. I don't know why, but I love a good eyeshadow pencil. So let's take a look at this one. Looks like it's a warm black or almost like a cherry cola shade is what I was thinking of. So we'll see if we can do a whole eye with this or if it's gonna be too intense, but I thought it was very, very different in terms of its shade. That is quite a beautiful shade and nothing like Rouge or Noir. It's more like a plum shade. That's beautiful. Oh, I'm excited about that, and I think it'll go really well with that lip balm. I picked up a blush. I'm pretty sure I don't have it in shade 72. That's when you know you have too many blushes, when you can't even remember which ones you have. I don't think I have this shade, but it looks lovely. It looks like a pink, but a warmer pink. Let me know when I do the get ready with me what shades you want me to swatch this against in case you were curious. Yeah, a lot of the Chanel shades look similar to each other in the pan, but they look very different on. And then Margaret from Chanel sent something over. I don't know what it is, but let's take a look. So thank you so much, Margaret, for sending this. They have a special serum that's launching last Friday, and she wanted to send a sample for me to play with before everyone else does. So thank you so much. It's the Sublimage Le Sensueux. It can be worn by itself or with an eye cream on top. It helps with firmness, hydration, radiance, and smoothing lines. I'm still getting familiar with this Chanel skincare. I don't know it that well, but I have enjoyed everything that I've tried. So let's take a look at this eye cream. And here is the cream. Thinking that's more than enough, but it seems like a nice lightweight. Oh yeah, it's nice and lightweight. It feels like a serum or an essence. Oh, it's a serum, that's why. It feels like a serum. Thank you so much, Margaret, for thinking of me and sending it over. This one is from DERMSTORE. This is a PR box for one of my favorite vitamin C products. It's the Skinceuticals CE Ferulic. I'm just holding the camera here so you can see the entire box here. It says on the side here, celebrate the proven power of vitamin C, because today is Vitamin C Day. And for those who ask about my skincare routine, I do rely on a couple of products from the Skinceuticals line for vitamin C. We've got a headband here that says Skinceuticals just to keep that hair away from the face. And this card inside shows the items that are in their vitamin C line. So we've got Fluoretin CF, which is one of the ones that I use for brightening and discoloration. Then we have the CE Ferulic for wrinkles and firmness. And then there's the Lipliner CF, and that one's for blemishes and oiliness. So if you weren't sure of the difference between the three, that is the difference, because I think I had that question as well when I first started using these products. And these are extensively tested and clinically proven. This is a 30 ml size. And you can see it comes with a dropper, so that's how it's dispensed. And then we have two 15 ml sizes of the Fluoretin CF and CE Ferulic, which are perfect for travel. So this is going to be really helpful for me, especially as we travel during the summer. And then also in this box, there's a Just want to show you there's a mirror that they've included here as well. So thank you so much to DERMSTORE.com for sending over some of my very favorite vitamin C products that I use on a very, very regular basis. And this package is from Skinstore.com. And I already spot one of my very favorite products here. So this is actually from something called the Skinstore Anniversary Lookbook, the Anniversary Edit. Skinstore has 10 brands in the lookbook, and I was lucky enough to get a few of these. So thank you so much, Skinstore, for sending everything over. So we've got the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and this is the brightening mask that I rely on. I actually just used one of them this week. This is a really, really effective brightening mask. Yeah, actually, this was one of my skincare favorites of the previous year and probably will continue to be as part of the 2022 lineup. I also received this LMS Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Actually needed a new one. So it's a super cleansing treatment balm for fine lines and wrinkles. Deep cleans, softens, nourishes. So let's take a look and see. I haven't seen this before. So at the top here is a really soft cleansing cloth. And here is the cleansing balm. Let me know if you've used this. Now I'm really curious about the texture of this. So here's the texture. It's like it melts upon touch, almost like a solid oil. I'm not sure if that's what it is, but that's what it feels like. We've got this BioPel serum. I don't know what this is. Let's see. So I'm reading it here, and it says it's a luxurious oil-free serum for at-home intensive treatment and post-procedure care. So for those who get procedures, this might be something that might be interesting to you. Oh, interesting. These are ampules. This helps to promote skin firmness as well as antioxidants for free radical defense. The result is a reduction in the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and a more luminous glow. So they come like this, and let me go ahead and remove the cardboard. And then it's got like, I don't know, like a cotton stopper on the top. Interesting, I've never seen this product, so I'll let you know how it goes. We've got something from Decorte. I keep hearing this name, but I don't know if I've tried anything from them unless it was a really small sample. But this is the Liposome Moisture Liposome. Oh, actually, now that I'm looking at this, I think I did have a small, very small sample of it because it looks like a miniature version of this. So we'll integrate this in and see how it works, but it's a hydration boosting serum. And then I'm excited about this, but I don't know if it's going to be the right shade, but it's a BB cream by Herborian. I've always looked at this, never tried it, but it's got a baby skin effect makeup care face cream 5-in-1 SPF 20. It says it evens out and mattifies the complexion, reduces the appearance of blemishes, refines skin's texture, moisturizes and plumps the skin, and gives a non-oily, velvety finish. Your skin is visibly softer, smoother, and beautiful with a silky feel, just like baby skin. Okay, let's see the color. There's the shade. Looks a little bit light, but you know me, I can work with the light shades, and my hand is really dark compared to my face right now. So we'll see how this looks on the face. Thank you so much to Skinstore.com for sending these over. Let me know what you want to hear in terms of updates of any of these products. This arrived from By Terry, so I'm excited to see because I don't actually know what this is. Ooh, I actually saw these go by, I think it was on Instagram. I'm so curious about these. Looks like we have a couple of samples of skincare and then some eye crayons, which I'm excited about. I don't know if I've ever tried an eye crayon of theirs. And then really exciting, the new CC liquid blushes. Thank you so much to By Terry. I was actually going to pick these blushes up, so I'm excited to be able to try them. So we've got a Balm de Rose glowing rose mask and a hyaluronic acid global face cream. Let's take a look at these crayons. Ooh, lovely. These look like lovely shades. At first I thought they were like a purpley shade because of this shade on the bottom, but that's, I think, just part of the packaging. It looks like the color is the color on the pencil barrel itself. These are waterproof pencils. We've got black print for the first shade. And then the other shade is called Bronze Generation. Then for these, we've got some cute packaging here. The shades are Rosy Flash, and the other one is Sunny Glow. These are flat brushes. So I haven't seen or actually haven't used anything like this before. So I'm looking forward to trying these out. And then we have something associated with the Batman movie. And this one came with a DC comic book. If you didn't already guess, this is from House of Sillage. Thank you so much to House of Sillage for sending this over. It's finally here, presenting to you the Batman by House of Sillage limited edition with Warner Brothers and DC Comics in celebration of the new Batman film starring Robert Pattinson and Zoe Kravitz. Prepare to capture the olfactory sensory experience of the Gotham City to your surroundings with the new Batman Hero Fragrance and the Batman Candle. Thank you for your support as always. You can check out the full collection at House of Sillage and at Saks, and I'll leave the links below. Comes with a lovely bow on the box. Batman by House of Sillage, Unmask the Truth. And I received the fragrance, the Hero Fragrance, but there are also some other items that are available. The Vengeance fragrance, and then there's also a lipstick case. If you love collecting the lipstick cases, that one is really unique. It has a bat on it with, it looks like some Swarovski crystals. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. I actually haven't seen the movie yet myself, so it's definitely one I've got to see. Ooh, so the wax matches the color of the exterior. That smells really nice. I can tell it's gonna have a complex fragrance, but nothing sweet and heavy about it, which I like. So this is the candle, and there is the inside. You can see the wick and the wax are the same shade as the exterior of the candle. So if you purchase this fragrance, this is the box that it arrives in. You can see it's got those crystals in the shape of course, a bat. Here is the bottle, and you can see those bats a little bit better on the top. Comes with a card in the front. That's a card that comes in with a little bit more information. And you can see there's a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it from here. If you look through the glass, maybe I'll post it on Instagram, but you can see there's a little bit of red to the glass, so it's not a black glass, it's just a very, very deep red shade. Very artistic bottles on these, some of the most beautiful bottles I've seen on fragrances. Make sure to look on the inside of the lids if you get them, because they always have a little bit of detail in there. Let's give this a little spray here. I've got a swatch on my arm from earlier. The top notes here are candied apple, pear leaves, magnolia. Heart notes are smoky rose, violet, leather accord. Base notes, sandalwood, musk patchouli, moss, and warm vanilla. Lovely scent. Unlike anything that I have, but it's got, like I said, that fullness to it. That candied apple isn't super sweet, and that magnolia isn't either. I really like that leather accord because it anchors it. That's a really lovely, lovely, very, very unique fragrance. Thank you so much, House of Sillage, for sending both of these over. They are lovely. We have a package from Esum. I've been testing out their brushes and their mascara, which is lovely. Meet Blush and Brazen, our two new dual lip pencil shades. We hope you enjoy creating with these new colors along with the rest of our classic collection. Thank you so much for sending this over. I have not tried any of their lip pencils, so let's take a look. So the insert here has some very vibrant shades. Classic shades, the new shades, and then we have a lip brush. And then we have a nice sharpener as well, which I can never have enough of. And this is great because it catches all the little bits, so that's good. So it opens up like this. I think the other piece there helps clean as well. So we got dual shades here. This one is in Nude, a lighter shade and a deeper shade. Got here the dual lip pencil in Plum. You can see again the two different shades. got red, definitely a red on one side, and then I mushed it a little bit when I took the lid off there, but there's a deeper red shade. This is blushed. This is a fun one in Brazen. Those are the two shades I think we saw on the insert. And here's the lip brush. And thank you so much to Esum for sending everything over. We've got something from Good Molecules, and I used their spot treatment before, so let's see what this is. It says there's a 2.0 in all of us. Oh, it says here, we all have limitations holding us back from reaching a higher level of success. It's easy to be content with the way things are going. Well, that's true. This was almost the case with our discoloration correcting serum, and this is the product I just mentioned. With over 1,000 5-star customer reviews and testimonials, things were going well, but they wanted to make it better, it looks like. So this one is a new discoloration correcting serum 2.0. And then you can see the ingredients here, but it's a 50% increase of the key active ingredient. Oh wow, and it's still the same price, which is $12. And this is perfect because, as you know, I love testing out products for hyperpigmentation, discoloration, so I will definitely be trying this out. So thank you so much to Good Molecules for sending this over. I'll let you know how it goes. Let me know what you are excited to see in action here. I know I'm excited to try everything out, but that is it for today's video, so please take care of each other. Stay well. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.